A Pakistani expert has said that the United States' response to the COVID-19 pandemic was a human-induced disaster and exposed the weaknesses of the American leadership.
America's response to COVID-19 since day one has been a policy response disaster. It has been a governance disaster. It has exposed many weaknesses of American leadership, American institutions. As an observer, I feel that had the policy response been adequate, America could have saved at least 300,000 lives. So we know that the response since day one was not adequate enough. We had a president in America who openly encouraged insecure and dangerous behavior among his supporters, not only during the campaign but also pre-campaign period. So he exposed American people to the dangers and to the fatal effects of COVID-19. All in all, America's response as a nation to COVID-19 was a disaster.